Hey everybody, it's Gabe Keeling here, and this is how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing in 2021. So what exactly is a niche or a niche in affiliate marketing? A niche in affiliate marketing terms is in essence the topic of your business and content. Your niche could be anything from weight loss supplements to how to make money online. A micro niche is like a specified version of your main niche. For example, of a micro niche, if you were like talking about like hiking being your micro niche could be camping supplies. Think of your niche as a topic that you want your keywords to revolve around. Okay, so why is niche marketing so important? Choosing your niche is one of the most important choices you will make when creating an online business with affiliate marketing. You need to be able to target who your audience is going to be. If you're promoting fishing poles one day and dog training videos the next, chances are your audience will have no clue what you're really about. Having a solid niche is vital to ensuring your visitors get what they came for and allows those with specific interests to find your content. For example, my blog is all about affiliate marketing and making money online. Why? Because that is what I love and that is what I want to offer my visitors. So, how do you find the best niche for affiliate marketing? So when deciding on a niche, what you really need to do is follow your passion. You'll find it extremely difficult to promote a product or write about a topic you have little interest in. Conversely, writing about something you are passionate about or have a great interest in makes it much, much easier. When you write about or promote something that you're excited about, your visitors will sense your honesty and energy surrounding your niche. Having sold something you thought was boring, or have you ever sold something that you thought was boring or like wasn't really worth it, or I don't know, like just like something lame and you were like forced to sell it, like, I don't know, in a retail business, you probably didn't do so well, did you? On the other hand, have you ever sold something that you thought was like super amazing that you yourself would buy? It made the selling process a lot easier. So the same applies with, niche marketing. So if you're putting your energy into something you really, really love, and like let's say you're into dogs and you want to do a dog training niche, you're going to do a lot better with something like that than, let's say, I don't know, like just something off the wall, like liposuction or something, if you've never had liposuction before. So stick with something you really, really have interest in. Next, you're going to want to find their pain and fix it. Remember, as an affiliate marketer, your job is to provide solutions for your visitors. When considering how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing, keep in mind that you'll only sell something your visitors truly need. Having a niche that prescribes that solution for your customers is key. Next, let's cover the three powerhouses: health, wealth, and relationships. These three topics cover most of the required needs of a human being. Most profitable niches can be related to these three topics: health, wealth, and relationships. Now, these are super broad terms, but a vast amount of niches reside within them. For example, affiliate marketing would fit in the money niche. Diet pill reviews would fit under the health niche, and the topic how to find your soulmate would reside in the relationship realm. Next, you're going to want to narrow or fine tune your niche. Have a topic you're interested in? Do some basic keyword research to find micro niches within that realm. This will help you find what other people are searching for online. One great keyword tool to use, which is free, is Word Tracker. Narrowing down your niche can result in a much more targeted audience when learning how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing. Not sure if your niche has products to sell? Consider following the money. Look on ClickBank or ShareSale or Commission Junction or JVZoo or any one of the affiliate networks and see what there is to promote and what is being sold. If you find lots of products to promote and it seems other people are selling it, it's probably better for affiliate marketing. You can also start off this way and search on one of these platforms something you're interested in and create your content around those products. Another way to find stuff in your niche is to promote, or stuff in your niche to promote, is type into Google whatever your niche is and affiliate program. Like you could say dog training affiliate program, and then see what come up with. Sometimes you can find some really cool like standalone affiliate programs for you to join. If all else fails when trying to find a niche to work within, find out what's trending. See what is currently trending right now and what is considered hot. Keep in mind that some trending things are just a phase and often short-lived, but that doesn't mean you can't take advantage of something new and cool. For example, I created a website about the Master Cleanse diet, or also known as the lemonade diet, which I did myself personally, and I had a great experience. So I decided to promote it. I was able to write great content on it and sold a ClickBank ebook all about it. The small niche made me thousands of dollars within months. It's also best to catch a trending topic early and just ride the wave on through. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. And for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks and ways to really grow your business, visit GabeKilling.com. Also, don't forget to download the free millionaire blueprint at GabeKilling.org/ebook1. This ebook is a step-by-step success blueprint for making insane amounts of money online, and you can find the link in the description below or at the top of my channel on the top right. Okay, thank you very much, you guys. And if you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you find the content was worthwhile, please share it. And I'm looking forward to giving you guys some more content soon. A lot of good videos underway. So hang tight for that, and I'll be back soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.